Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am in my classic hourly vertical planner that I use for work. And this is the section that has all of my daily pages in it. And this week, well, normally I do two Plan With Me daily spreads. So I normally do 4 days. I normally do 4 days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. But last week, the way that it ended up working out is I had Monday off. So the first day I used was Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So I only used 3 days last week, even though I had done 4. So I used what I would have used for Thursday last week for Monday. And I only need 2 more days this week because I'm actually off Thursday. So I only need to decorate for Tuesday and Wednesday. Very long intro for this, but basically what I'm going to do for the first Plan With Me, I'm going to use Rock This and Happy Blooms, which is what I've used in all of my planners this week. And then I thought, you know what? I'm going to use the theme from this page in all of my planners for next week. I'm going to use Good Habits with some of the florals from the latest Blooms box. Not the latest, but the one before the most. Anyway, you know what I mean. Let's get started. Okay, so I think I've already done a daily spread with the Rock This sticker book before, but I really wanted to try and use up the florals that I was pairing it with from Happy Blooms. So, and I think, no, there's no more birds, but there's still some florals that I could use with it. So, first thing I want to do is probably cover up that up there. So let's put a Rock This Day. And now that I'm putting that down though, yeah, it has to, I almost put it over the holes for the discs because it is that large, that wide. Gosh, no matter how many times I want it to be straight, it never is. And one of you suggested to be able to, if I wanted to use these boxes but wanted to have a border, put mild liner on them. So I'm going to try that. It's just a matter of which one will match. If I wanted to use the blue, nope. See, that's the thing, is finding what will match. And I don't think there will be any that, ooh, that is probably as close as I can get. Or if I could just do gray, would it look weird with just a gray outline all around? I don't think so. Let's try it. So let's grab my ruler, and then for this particular box, I'm going to use gray and see how it turns out. If it turns out, well, yay. If not, I tried something new. Oh gosh, it would help if I actually drew the lines properly, right? So let's see. Ooh. 1, 2, and then I don't know how I feel about it yet. It's kind of, I feel like it's one of those things that I'm experimenting with, so forgive me. Okay, let's see how that looks once I take the sticker up. It's okay. Maybe it's the color that I chose. I don't know. It's okay. But at least there is a border around it, and that's what I always like, is having a border. So let's put this down. And then put this. Now I'm going to cut the weird edges on that because it does look a bit wonky. And okay, there we go. That's much better. Put it like so. And then in terms of what will actually match with this spread, it really is just the leaves that are left. So let's find, I remember this being difficult because I didn't, faculty meeting, lesson plan, reschedule, because I'm not a teacher, but okay. So let's put plan on it here. And then good stuff here. And then I need something for priorities. So not due dates. Maybe we'll put down a special project. They're not really special projects. It's what I do on a day-to-day basis. Okay, and then there are these fun leaves that I think I could place around the spread. So one there, and I'm gonna do this "You Are One of a Kind." Place that here, and place the blue right next to it. And then I think I'm going to call that done. Very simple, but still really cute. And actually, I'll tell you guys, because somebody did ask me how this looks completely filled in, and I don't show you how it is all filled in because there's a lot of stuff here that, I mean, this is my work planner, so there is some stuff here that is confidential, but I keep track of my meetings in this space, my to-do list in this space, and any notes that I take in this space. And then in here are my top 3 priorities that I make sure are done every single day. All right, so that is the first plan with me. So the second plan with me is going to be with good habits and some of these florals, and I'm going to use, yeah, at least one of those, and then the other ones I will use in my other spread. So I'll actually take them out and put them towards the front and screw that back in here. I can't remember if I've used good habits in my daily. Oh well. Okay, so good things are coming. Put that down. I always cover up this spot with a good quote box. I feel like that's something good to remind myself about every day. Oh, I like that. Important. Actually, before I put that down, maybe there we go. Important. And then this massive floral. Now, I think it might be too big for this whole spread. I don't know if I decide to just place it like so. Yeah. Then find something in here. Let's see. There's a lot of good stuff in this book. I love these. Okay. I'm going to take this today. I'm going to white out where it says reminders because, as well as where it says today. So I'm going to take this floral and put it like this and see if there's any other ones other than this small one. Ooh. No, I think it'll have to be, whoops, the today or the in the moment. Gosh, it's been a while since I've used this book. So let's just do today. And then I can use the leaves, whoops, without ripping them. Oh, I hate when I do that. Like so. Gosh, it's gonna get stuck in my fingers and I'm gonna rip it. With, what other label could I use? Oh, here we go. Focus. I'm actually going to put it down as details. There we go. And then I need a box for down here. And maybe a quote along this side. I like this box. Yeah, I think, oops. I like this box for my to-dos. Oh, that's gonna go so well in this corner. Just down like that. And then I'm actually gonna go back to these labels and put down focus. Just like that. And then I'm gonna put a little quote along this side there. I know there's a few good ones in this. I like these. Okay. May you have the courage to break the patterns in your life that are no longer serving you, so you only give to yourself. I like this one. Greatness does not come from comfort zones. And just have the two overlap so you can still see some of the floral throughout. And then add some of these sparkles. Because why not? Whoop, if I can pull them out. Now, I always like to cut these because I find putting them all in one spot is a bit much. Oh, there's stuff from the flower that I cut from the last spread. Too much stuff. Hold on. Ah. So I'll put this one here. And then this one, where do I want to put this one? I'm gonna, oh no, I can put it down here, but then I'll also actually have it continue this way. Then I will put the red one in the corner. Like so, and then this here or here, just to make sure I still have room to, oh no, this is gonna go right like so. All right, let's get this off my finger. Okay, so what do you guys think? I actually really like the combination of the two, and I think those are gonna go so well in my planners for all of next week. All right, so there are the two daily spreads. And actually somebody mentioned last week if I plan out the spreads to match, and sometimes I do. Well, no, actually that's not true. I don't actually plan them out, but I think they end up matching for, I think, just complete luck that I get them to match. But this week they really do. The colors really do work together, and it kind of looks like all just one weekly spread, but they are two separate days. And the color schemes, I love the color schemes. All right, but that is it for me. A very short daily plan with me video today. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.